Hey guys, it's Scott with the No Budget Homestead, and today I thought I'd make a short little video to show you a little of the modification that I've done to the coop. And this modification gives them more coverage over the run here against the weather and the elements and everything, like wind, not necessarily wind, but rain and the sun. So as you can tell, I'm kind of in a much more shaded area. And as you can see here, that's some plywood that I got here, and these sheets were the perfect length and width. I put them together, and let me show you what I did, okay? It's better to show you than to actually tell you, okay? Okay, right here, that is a probably about, let's see here, you can see the thickness here. Right here, I'd say it's about a 1/2 inch thick piece of plywood, and this is from a wooden crate. I got a bunch of these sheets from a friend of mine, and I've just been putting them away and using them wherever I need to. It's got a nice veneer on there too, which, you know, it kind of sucks to use it for this purpose, but it's free. I did put we had a drywall screw, so a wood screw, so I went and put that there to hold this up against the edge of the coop here. Okay, it keeps it at an angle. It's kind of at an angle like this, coming down this way. Okay, so it looks pretty good. And over here I also put a screw there, and then here I put a piece of scrap 2x4 that I had, and another piece of wood here to keep it up and everything. Because I have it sitting on top of this, and I want the rain to run down. So this board's at a higher angle. It's a much higher angle at this end here than here, and it sits on top of this, so the water just keeps running off. And then I have, so this is the second board here, this is the third board. So I got 3 of these put together, and there's a slight gap. But rain kind of has been coming down through here, and I don't know how, because I got the tarps all set up and everything, because I do have tarps over these sheets and everything. And if you look, you can see, excuse me girls, you can see where it kind of starts here and goes all the way down. Okay, and it makes this area down here a lot drier during the weather, and I put that tarp there, and I have that tarp attached really well, so it helps block from the driving rain that comes in from the west. This way is west, so the wind always blows the rain this way, and it kind of gets in their food and everything, and I don't want that. The girls seem to like it. They're a little upset with me right now because I'm standing where I put a bunch of mealworms. Alright, so let me get out of their way. Yep, there they go. They're gonna have some fun with the mealworms. So guys, that's kind of what I did here. I did this a couple of weeks ago actually, and between work and church and little man and everything else going on, plus I haven't been feeling too well. I got plantar fasciitis on one of my feet, and it just kills me to get out and do anything. So it should be getting better, but I thought I'd share this with you guys and kind of show you what I did. I've been wanting to do something like this for a while to give the girls a little bit more shelter, better area to stay dry during inclement weather and everything. And so they seem to enjoy it. So, well, that's all for now. If y'all like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and don't forget to ring that bell so that you get notified next time we have videos, okay? As we get busier and busier during the spring, I'll have more and more videos coming out, good Lord willing. And so we'd like to take you along on this ride of our homesteading adventure. Anyways, y'all have a simply unbelievable day. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next video. All right?